Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to reuse our existing content in a variety of ways. We'll learn how to reuse large chunks of content, such as topics and maps, but we'll also explore more precise reuse applications, like Konraths with specific elements. Finally, we'll look at how to view all the linked dependencies that exist within our system and see how easyDITA makes managing reuse at scale possible. By the end of the video, you should understand the capabilities for reuse within your easyDITA system and start finding exciting ways to leverage them. Reuse is one of the most powerful functions of DITA. Rather than copying and pasting, linking and reuse allows teams to build out their documentation with the best information without constantly rewriting. This saves incredible amounts of time and improves the quality and accuracy of the documentation. Now with that said, let's reuse some content. We're going to start with large-scale reuse, topics and maps. To learn how to create topics or construct a map, you can view our other videos. You'll find those linked in the description, or you can visit easydita.com. So first, to reuse a topic or a map, we'll navigate to the demo folder, then to the Thunderbird docs, then to the Thunderbird folder, and now we'll select this doc button. Now with our map on the left side, let's navigate to the file that we want to add. We're going to navigate over here to the Topics folder and select a topic from this list. Let's select the Components topic. Now we'll drag and drop that topic from the file listing into the map editor. This green line indicates where the topic will be dropped. If you drag it over another topic and you see a green box, this means that the item, once dropped, will be added as a child of the component already in the map. The Insert dialog will appear, and we select Topic Ref and Insert. Now you can follow those same steps to reuse a map. Now when you drag and drop, this time you'll see that you can select Map Ref instead of Topic Ref. Then click Insert. Now you'll see that the map is inserted into the hierarchy. When you reuse a map, it includes all of the elements that are within that map. Now let's get a little bit more precise. You can also reuse elements from one topic to another. This is called a content reference, or a conref. There are a few restrictions to conrefs. The elements that are being referenced must be similar. This means that you can't reuse a step in a paragraph. It must be referenced to and from a step element. Another restriction is that the conref element can only be referenced to an area where they are valid. You cannot edit content at the point of its incoming reference. If you want to edit the content, you must go to the source element from which it is being referenced. So now it's time to insert a content reference, or a conref. We're going to start by opening the user guide map and the introduction topic. Place your cursor where you want to insert the conref. Now we'll click on Reuse, this recycle logo up in the toolbar. Select Reuse, then Conref Content. Now click Select Content. We'll navigate and select the topic where our desired element is located. You can also use the search bar along the top when looking for a specific topic. Once you've found the right topic, select it and click Link Inside File. Now this will open up another view of the topic, and from there you can select the specific element that you want to insert. You'll notice this pop out specifying the element and a corresponding ID. This is to ensure that you are selecting the exact element that you want to include. In order to reuse the element, it must have an ID set. If you've not already provided an ID, you'll be prompted to create an ID for the element. You can leave the default name or give it a new one. Now we click Apply, and there we go. The element has been added. Now you'll notice that we can't edit this element right here in the topic. That's because this is a reference of the original. However, if we click on the element, we can select from these key features. We can select Edit Content. Now the original topic that we reference will pop up, and we can make our edit here. It's worth noting, when you make this update, the change will populate everywhere that the element is reused, not just this one instance. And now we see that the element is updated. easyDITA doesn't just enable linking and reuse, but it also helps you manage these links at scale. As you reuse content, easyDITA automatically updates the locations of reuse so that you can view link dependencies at any point. By viewing these dependencies, you see all the incoming and outgoing links to determine the files that are using it and the files that it is using. From the content library, you can right-click any file and select Links. The Links tab in the Resource Manager appears, with the incoming links visible. To view outgoing links, you can select the Outgoing Links tab. And to view all link dependencies, click All Dependencies. These dependencies are all the files that rely on this file. This should give you a taste of the powerful capabilities of easyDITA for structured content reuse. In the next video, we'll explore how to get your reviewers and editors into the system with review assignments. We'll also look at how to publish your documentation quickly and get it in the hands of your users. To see those videos, check out the description for links or visit easydita.com.